Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to prepare cheese omelette. So to prepare this vegetable cheese omelette, the ingredients that are required are here I have taken 3 eggs. As you can see 3 yolks are there. So 3 eggs I have taken. Here a little bit of tomato, little bit of capsicum, little bit of onion, almost half. One small tomato I have taken half, one small capsicum I have taken half, and I have chopped them finely. And one small onion I have taken half, little bit of fresh coriander leaves chopped. This is little bit of oregano, little bit of red chili flakes, and little bit of black pepper powder. Here I have taken one cheese slice. Salt we are going to add as per our taste, and I am going to prepare this recipe in oil. You can also use butter if you want. So the first step that we are going to follow, we are going to add these vegetables, that is the onion, tomato, and the chopped capsicum together. We'll also add little bit of fresh coriander leaves, salt as per our taste, and we are going to beat this egg. We'll beat it nicely till it mixes well. At this stage we will add the black pepper powder also. This is optional friends. If you don't want, just skip it. You can add green chilies also. I am not adding because I'll be adding chili flakes to this. So if you want it spicy, you can add green chilies. So here is our egg mixture ready. And now here in a pan I have heated 2 tablespoons of oil. When the oil gets heated, we will pour this egg mixture. And we will let it get fried from one side till the bottom part of the egg, this omelette becomes nice and golden. Now at this time we will add little bit of chili flakes. Just sprinkle little chili flakes, oregano, now friends, we will slowly flip the omelette on the other side. Be careful while doing this. Now one side of the, we'll first cook this for some time, maybe for 2 minutes we'll let it get cooked. Now friends, we will add the cheese. I have broken the cheese into small pieces. If you want it to be very cheesy, you can use 2 cheese slices. You can also use cheese cubes for this. So I'll just put it on one side. And then I will add the oregano. Just sprinkle little oregano this side also. and the chili flakes. As you can see, cheese has started melting. Now we will take this other half and we will just fold it like this. We'll just fold it like this and we'll fry this omelette for some time like this. Now friends, as you can see, the cheese has melted, it's coming out. We'll just sprinkle little fresh coriander leaves. And now our cheese omelette is ready to serve. So friends, here is our delectable cheese omelette ready. As you can see, the cheese is coming out from here. Super yummy recipe, friends, and very easy also. If you are a cheese lover, you will love this omelette. You can increase the amount of cheese and you can also make this omelette in butter instead of oil. I hope you liked my recipe, friends. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest recipe videos. See you soon, friends. Bye.